Guess what?
What?
Do you remember when Zach sent you candy
Yeah.
for Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Wynn and Dawson sent you some too.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you want to see what they sent you?
Yeah.
Okay, look in that box. I put it in this box for you.
A cookie?
Well, that one's from Grandma Barbie. But look at
Grandma?
this. Are you so excited?
Look at it.
Wow, yummy.
Let's see. And then I want this.
Okay.
I want one.
They give you some Skittles.
I want this. I want this.
I know. Okay, but you have to say thank you, Dawson and Wynn.
Thank you, Dawson Wynn.
Look at the camera.
Thank you, Dawson Wynn.
Tell them how much you love them.
I love you.
Show them with your arms how much you love them.
I love you. So much.
How much?
Just much.
Tell them you miss them.